As you step into the sacred grounds of Puʻuhonua o Hōnaunau National Historical Park, you are transported back in time to an era steeped in ancient Hawaiian tradition. This place of refuge, once a sanctuary for those who broke the sacred laws, or kapu, and a haven for fallen warriors and civilians during times of battle, is now a window into the past and a playground for contemporary cultural activities and natural explorations. As you explore the park's unique features and offerings, you can witness the traditional Hawaiian lifestyle through various cultural demonstrations and practices. Artisans share their skills in carving, weaving, and creating garlands, casting light on the rich cultural tapestry of the Hawaiian people. You can also explore the royal grounds, once reserved for alii, chiefs, and marvel at the magnificence of the Great Wall, an impressive structure showcasing the intricate dry-stacked masonry technique of native Hawaiians without the use of mortar. Hail o Kiwi, the Royal Mausoleum, is a prominent structure on the park grounds and offers a glimpse into the spiritual reverence of ancestral Hawaiians. This sacred place is a cornerstone of the park and serves as a reminder of the rich cultural heritage that has been passed down through generations. For fishing enthusiasts, the surrounding waters offer an insight into the traditional subsistence lifestyle. Snorkelers are rewarded with clear waters that teem with marine life, providing a colorful peek into the underwater world of Hawaii. You can also enjoy a serene picnic with stunning views of the park's landscape or set out on a self-guided walking tour to discover the serene beauty of the lava rock coast and vibrant tide pools, especially at sunset. The park actively educates young explorers through the Junior Ranger program, encouraging children to learn about the park's natural and cultural resources, promoting awareness and stewardship of these treasured places. For those fond of wildlife observation, the park is a sanctuary of birdlife, home to various native and migratory species. Birdwatchers will relish the chance to spot some of Hawaii's rare and unique feathered friends. To cap off your park visit, you can explore educational museum exhibits that delve deeper into the history and customs of the Hawaiian people. Don't forget to visit the bookstore and park store for unique memorabilia and educational materials. The weather at Puʻuhonua o Hōnaunau is typically hot and sunny, with daytime temperatures often reaching the upper 80s. Visitors are advised to plan their trips during the cooler hours of the morning or late afternoon. It's important to check for any weather advisories or hazardous conditions on the day of your visit, as occasional closures occur due to high winds or storms. As you leave the sanctuary, you carry with you the spirit of refuge and peace that has permeated the area for centuries, a testament to the enduring legacy of Hawaii's ancestral practices and their harmony with the land. Puʻuhonua o Hōnaunau National Historical Park offers visitors a profound connection to the richness of Hawaiian culture, leaving a lasting impression that will stay with you long after your visit has ended. Learn more at mustdothings.com. Be sure to subscribe for many more inspiring videos about national parks.